In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a file in Google Drive without opening it. This is a quick, reliable way to glance at a file's contents without launching the full editor or app, which can save time and keep your workspace tidy as you move through multiple documents, images, or videos. First, log into Google Drive, open your web browser, and head to the Google Drive website, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your Drive homepage with folders and files arranged according to how you've organized them. If you work across multiple areas, like My Drive, Shared with Me, or a team folder, make sure you're in the right location so you can find the file you want to preview. Next, go to the folder containing your file. Navigate just as you normally would. Open the relevant folder and locate the specific item you need to check. Preview works with many file types, including PDFs, images, videos, and Google files, so you can get a quick look without committing to a full open. As you scan, confirm you're selecting a single file rather than a folder, since Preview is designed for files. Now right-click on the file. This opens a context menu that gives you file-level actions. If you're using a trackpad or a device where right-clicking is different, a control click or a two-finger click on the trackpad will bring up the same menu. You should see options that relate to opening, sharing, and managing the file. Hover to open with. Move your cursor over open with to reveal the submenu. This is where Google Drive lists compatible viewers and apps it can use for that file type. Hovering is important. It expands the choices without selecting anything yet, so you can see what's available. Finally, click on Preview. Choose Preview from the list to launch Google Drive's lightweight viewer. The file will appear in an overlay window so you can read or view its contents at a glance. Because this is a preview, you aren't editing the file or changing its state, you're just inspecting it. This is especially helpful when you want to confirm a file's contents, check the right version, or scan an image or PDF without opening a full editor. If you work with large files, previewing can also feel faster and more responsive than loading the full app. That's it. You've previewed your file in Google Drive without opening it, keeping your workflow quick and focused.